Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the online fix64 the DLL file type dynamic link library error. So when we try to open or run program or game, the online fix64 error file missing or corrupted, you can try to open your Windows Defender or any antivirus you have. You can access quarantine item from your antivirus and then try to restore the file. Here, for example, you can try to restore this dynamic link library file from your data recovery or from your antivirus quarantine item. And also you can try to install the problematic program or game. And next you can run SFC command line. You can try to use DCM command line. Type SFC #scan now in order to fix a file or corrupt file or on your system that are missing or corrupt. So here you can download manually onlinefix.dll from any source on the internet, from trustworthy website of course, and replace the problematic dynamic link library file with downloaded one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.